Hey guys, Classic Gamer Production Animators here. Let's get on to our requester of this video, and it goes to The Nervous Gamer 2. Shout out to you buddy. And for our 2 daily shout outs, they go to Heart Liberty the Wold Edits and Loves Catch Teenyping Heart and London the Galaxy Fan 2K11. Shout out to you too. Everyone's links will be in the description down below. Also guys, this version of the video is the censored version for the audience who enjoys this version of the videos. The uncensored version can be found on my channel, or on the right top corner right here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share today's video. And as always, signing off.
What a day, huh? Well finally I get to come back to life from being crushed to death from a thwomp. Anyways, let's go get a drink from the fridge.
Girl, let me tell you, my little brother is such an idiot. He never learns when to know how to shut up or know when to stop when he's been told so. Like last night, he ruined our movie night by starting a fire and causing the AMC movie theaters to engulf in flames. And me, my brother Bobby, and my mom and dad had to evacuate the movie theater, and little Bill was in the car laughing and eating popcorn while watching stupid memes, like some stupid immature kid. I mean it girl, I swear sometimes I wonder if he's mentally idiotic, like some ugly looking burnt rat dumb chewed up insect.
So, you got guts now to talk trash now April, especially behind my back, huh? Well guess what, you just made the biggest mistake you smart one. Just wait until I find out a way to get revenge on you. I'll teach you a thing or two about what happens when karma bites you in the bottom when you talk trash about people behind their backs. That's brilliant, I just found the perfect idea. To get revenge on my dumb one of a sister, I'm going to knock the beehive down, and put it in April's bed under the covers, and when she opens the covers, she'll be attacked by so many bees. Anyways, let's get started with the plan. That was good, now let's change into my beehive outfit. There we go, all suited up, now let's head outside. What the heck? Shut up Fido, it's me, little Bill. Whoa Fido, chill out. Phew, that was a close one, that dog is a damn monster. Anyways, let's get to the beehive. There's the nest, now we need to knock it down. Let's use this hot stick to break it off the branch. Okay, we got the beehive, now let's put this in April's room.
Hey girly, I'm heading to the mall, I'll meet you there.
coast is clear. Okay, now let's put this in her bedsheets. Perfect, all set up. Now when April comes to go to bed, she'll have a surprise of bees attacking her.
Hey family, I'm home. What the heck, where's my house?
You know, little Bill, you're always on your phone too much.
Since when do you care when and when I'm not on my phone, Bobby? It's not your phone.
I'm just saying, little Bill, every time I see you, you're always glued to your phone.
Well, I don't care, Bobby. Don't worry about it. Geez, you're just like Mom, who doesn't know when to shut up.
Shut up, little Bill, you don't know what you're talking about. You need to keep your comments to yourself.
Oh look everyone, the big responsible Bobby wants to act like he knows how to talk now. Shut your damn mouth, Bobby. Now leave me alone, I'm texting one of my girls.
Idiot.
Hey family, I'm home. How are you guys doing?
I'm good, just on my phone.
Just watching TV.
That's good. Bobby, what's the matter?
Oh, nothing. Just little Bill wants to act like a smart one.
Oh, you can bite me, Bobby. You're the one trying to control what I do.
You shut up, little Bill. You think you can act like nothing is held accountable on you, but you're just entitled.
Oh, is that damn so? Let me remind you I gave you a concussion 2 weeks ago, and I have no problem doing it again. Let me show you how entitled I am, you donkey brain smelling idiot.
Oh, you're going to regret that, you stupid boy. You only got me because I wasn't paying attention.
Save the excuses, you moron. You just can't admit you got your butt beat by your younger brother.
Screw you, little Bill. I will fight you again and win this time.
Come on then, Bobby. Let's go outside and I'll beat you senseless.
Bring it on, you egghead.
Both of you need to stop fighting. I don't want to hear anymore.
He started it with me being on my phone.
I was only just telling you to spend some time in your life and not in your phone world.
I don't care what the argument was about. Both of you, shut up right now.
There we go, all set. Dinner's ready, everyone.
Come on, dinner's ready. I wonder where April is.
She went to the mall with her friend. She should be coming back right now.
Hey guys, I'm back.
That's great, honey. Come eat dinner. It was just made.
Yes, Mom.
So how was the mall with your friend April?
It was great. We hanged out all day at the mall and we also talked on the phone before I left.
It's not the only thing you talked about on the phone, idiot.
Little Bill, what's wrong?
Nothing, Mom.
Oh, don't bother him, Mom. He's acting like a baby.
Do you really want to start another argument, you damn roach?
Both of you knock it off right now.
Whatever.
Hey honey, what were Bobby and Little Bill fighting about?
Oh, you know, the same drama as always with these boys.
Honestly, I don't know what's the matter with our kids, especially Little Bill.
Me as well. Let's go ahead and go to bed.
Okay, dear.
Little Bill, can you hurry up in there? You're taking forever.
Hold on, April. I'm brushing my teeth. Impatient one.
Moron?
Alright, now it's time to wait for April to get calmer.
Oh man, I'm so tired. Time to hit to bed. What the heck, is that a beehive in my bed?
Sounds like they got to her.
Someone, please help me.
Next time, do not talk trash about me behind my back, April. If you got something to say it to my damn face. That's right, sit there and cry about it like a little baby you are.
April, what
we're
happened?
coming.
Oh damn, not again. Ow, my leg, I think it's sprained.
Oh my god, April, you're covered in bee stings. What happened?
We gotta get her to the hospital right now.
Yes, dear.
Oh shoot, there's a bee's nest.
Phew, my leg is feeling a little better. What could get possibly worse?
Was that a beehive that was behind April?
Yes, it was. How the heck did a beehive get inside April's room?
I don't know, honey. Maybe it.
He did it, Mom and Dad.
Who are you talking about, April? Who is he?
Little Bill, he did it.
Man, my damn neck, that hurts so much. What could possibly be worse than all of that?
Get over here! Oh God! Tell me what in the world is going on right now, little Bill. What happened to April? The truth.
Okay. I got upset at April because she was talking behind my back about me earlier today, so I decided to get revenge and I took the beehive down from the backyard tree, and I then put it in April's bed so when she goes to bed, she get attacked by the swarm of bees. I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh! Little Bill, how dare you put a beehive in April's bed? What in the heck is wrong with you? Now thanks to you, we have to take her to the damn hospital. This is the worst thing you ever did to your sister April. I can't believe this. That's so it. You're so grounded for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 2, 3, 5, 9, 3, 8. 7, 6, 5, 9, 0, 2, 9, 1, 0, 2, 8, 5, 6, 7, 3, 9, 3, 0, 1, 9, 3, 7, 5, 9, 8, 3, 7, 5, 9, 3, 7, 8 centuries. And today's a punishment day for you. Honey, take April to the hospital. I'll meet you there when I'm done with little Bill. Now that they're gone, it's time for your punishment day, and your first one is beating the heck out of you.
Let me guess, you're going to beat me up as Scorpion again, huh?
Nope, I have a new power of mine.
What other superpower do you have then?
You'll see, little Bill.
Wow, that was your power. Ow, my eyes, what was that?
Oh my goodness!
I'm dead.
Get up, little Bill. Second punishment, drinking spoiled milk. Drink it now.
Heck no, I ain't drinking that. Oh no, I don't feel so good. I think I'm gonna.
Third and last punishment, a beehive on your head.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
What's up guys, I'm back.